Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you need a second Facebook account for your business, your online store, or just to keep your private life completely separate from your family and co-workers? If you just go ahead, open a new tab, and sign up with your same browser or phone app, there's a 90% chance Facebook security bots will flag you for creating a duplicate account and permanently ban both profiles within minutes. Facebook strictly permits one personal account per user, so you have to be incredibly smart about how you set up a second one. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact, safe method to create a second, fully functional Facebook account without risking your original profile. Let's get into it. Before we click a single button, we need to talk about digital separation. Facebook tracks your IP address, device ID, browser cookies, and even your phone number to link your identity. To make a second account safely, you must follow these rules. Rule 1. Use a completely new email address. Do not use an email linked to your first account, and don't use your primary mobile number. Rule 2. Separate your browsers. If your main account is logged into Google Chrome, use Microsoft Edge, Brave, or Mozilla Firefox for your second account. If you're on mobile, use a secure secondary browser rather than switching profiles inside the official Facebook app right away. Rule 3. Never interact with yourself. Do not immediately search for, add, or like your original profile. This instantly links the two accounts in Facebook's database. Step 1. Open your secondary browser like Brave or Firefox and clear its browsing history and cookies. Better yet, set up a dedicated separate guest profile in Chrome or Edge to keep the environment completely clean. Step 2. Go to facebook.com and click Create New Account. Enter your name. Pro tip: if you are creating this for business or privacy, you can use a middle name or a professional variation, but make sure it sounds like a real human name so it doesn't trigger automated bot filters. Step 3. Enter your new, dedicated email address. Do not use your phone number here. Complete your birth date and gender fields, create a strong password, and click Sign Up. Step 4. Grab the 5-digit verification code from your new email inbox and paste it in to confirm the account. The second you get inside, navigate straight to Settings and Privacy Account Center, and turn on two-factor authentication. This instantly signals to Facebook that you are a legitimate, high-trust user. Now, here is where most people fail. Once the account is open, your instincts will tell you to join 10 groups, add 20 friends, and start posting your business links. Do not do this. This is textbook bot behavior. Instead, follow the warm-up protocol. Day 1. Upload a clean, clear profile picture. Fill out a few basic profile details, like a simple bio. Then, close the tab and leave it alone. Day 2. Log back in, scroll through the feed for a few minutes, and like 1 or 2 mainstream news or entertainment pages, like National Geographic or Netflix. Day 3 and beyond, slowly start adding real people you actually know or joining groups relevant to your target niche. Keep your activity low and natural for the first week. By treating your second account like a real, separate human identity from day 1, Facebook's automated systems will leave you completely alone, keeping both of your profiles perfectly safe. If you found this step-by-step breakdown helpful, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech tutorials. If you ran into any verification blocks, drop a comment down below and I'll help you troubleshoot. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.